Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we will be doing Maths B, May-June 2025, Paper 1, question number 11. Without using a calculator and showing all your working, find the value of the integer m such that root over 675 minus root over 108 is equals to root over m. So 15 square multiply 3 minus 6 square multiply 3 is equals to, so 15 root 3 minus 6 root 3 is basically 9 root 3. Okay, so what they asked is this whole value should be under root over to find root over m, or to find m basically, because they asked you what's m. We need to take 9 square, we need to take the 9 under the root over into 3, which is 243. M is equals to 243. We're done with number 11.